This is our home page. Our main page is this one, index.html. This contains the five hyperlinks. The five hyperlinks calling these pages series. A pages inside dummy code is ready. Dummy code and the content ready, sir. Backup is not ready. But every link is opening, no doubt at all. But where it is opening? When I click on every menu item, it's opening. Where it is opening? The next page it is going to open, sir. It is opens in the next page. But we want to open in the same page. Where, sir? Where we want to open? In this area we want to open. In this area we want to open. Click on any of these hyperlink. They should be called the next page, sir. But the next page should be opens here. The next page should be opens here, right? Opening of the pages in the particular area here. We have one tag in HTML. Any idea? We have one tag in HTML, sir. Any idea? Opening any hyperlink within the same area, this particular area. What is the tag in HTML? Drop down. Pages opening and we are discussing on the drop down house, sir. Output tag. Target tag also available. Oh, you had mentioned. Target tag attribute, sir. Target tag attribute also you don't know any idea. Huh? And I am asking question, some tag is available, which tag ante somebody you are answering target. So target tag first of all. Huh? HTML completed. I am asking tag name, you are asking, huh? Okay, sir. Variety answers is comes. Huh? Self under somebody blank under somebody target under somebody output tag output tag. iframe right answer, sir. Who said the iframe answer? That is right answer. And the rest of all answers wrong answers. Next time, but iframe is the only right answer, sir. Rest of all answers wrong answers.
సైడ్ బై సైడ్ అన్నీ రాటగా ఇలాంటివి చెప్తే ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంటాయి పొద్దు నుంచి మొదలు చూది
Who said iframe? Very good. Who said iframe? Very good. So this is iframe, sir. It helps to open the other pages in our page. We already used iframe also in our sort. I mentioned the pages and displaying as a single page. So that iframe I need here, right? Second one, section tag required. Second is section tag also required. Because when I click on any of these hyperlink, they are both calling the next page content. Content displaying, we need generally section tag. So here section tag is comes. Sorry. Here section tag is comes. Section inside iframe is comes. The section tag actually the division tag, sir. Division tag inside iframe. That is the correct thing. So red color box is section, pink color box iframe. If you click any of the links, sir, the page is opens in the current screen in the exactly bottom only. And most of the real-time applications opens like that only, sir. Original website. Some website top links available. If you click anywhere, the page is opens here only. Some websites right side links available on Gmail style. If you click any of the link, the content is going to opens only here. Where we use it in real time, don't ask that question. Huh? Yes, iframe concept completed already. And I said the original scenarios also. Anchor tag. Anchor tag is having already these are the anchor tags, sir. All these are the anchor tags already.
పేరు సెలక్షన్లోనే ఇంకొంచెం ఐఫ్రేమ్ చెప్పాడు.
Okay, sir. Coming to the section.
ఇన్సైడ్లో ఐఫ్రేమ్ పెట్టాలమ్మా.
Next one, I'm going to write in the section tag.
చుక్కలు అక్కడ
వీడియో తీసేలేదు.
Inside section tag is available. Section tag inside iframe tag is available.
ఓకే
Section tag inside iframe tag.
సెక్షన్లో
And after that, section tag is going to close.
వీడియో మోడ్
Iframe inside what we have, sir. Going to that one, sir. First, we need to apply some settings for section tag. We need to apply some settings for the section tag. So hash section.
యాక్షన్ ఐడియా
హ్యాష్ ఐడి.
First, focus on the width, sir. First one, focus on the width. Width, full screen, I think you can take 100%. Need the full screen, then take the 100% of the screen. And whatever the heights are, height I'm taking some 500 pixels, right? Otherwise, some 600 pixels.
దాంట్లో చెప్పండి.
చాలా మంచిగా కదా.
And we are going to playing some small background color also here. We only continue displaying separate background color we are using. Not interested to leave it because already we have gray color get the full screen. I can continue that one. That's not a problem. It is separate section and a clear impact required
స్లైడ్ కింద
because we are testing under testing operations here. So then I'm taking a small color, gray color I'm taking. For the dark shade I'm taking.
కొంచెం గ్రేప్
Actually color not required. A section box feeling purpose we are writing this one. Apply this one. First map it, don't forget. ID equals to section. ID equals to section. So refresh, sir. Dark gray color is there, na? That is our section tag.
ఇదేంటి బాక్స్
And the box what, sir? Box is our iframe.
ఐఫ్రేమ్.
A small box is available, that is iframe.
చాలా హ్యాండ్ ఎంత వస్తుందా
100% ఇచ్చాడు. దేనికి దీనికి
దీనికి
సెక్షన్కి ఇచ్చాడు.
సెక్షన్లో 100% 100
Next comes to iframe. First remove the border. First remove this border, sir. Then width of the iframe should be equals to section tag. Width of the iframe should be equals to section tag. And height of the iframe should be equals to section tag.
బోర్డర్ నాన్న
Height width both should be equals to section tag. So write some CSS for iframe.
ఐఫ్రేమ్.
Hash iframe. Maximum avoid to use the tag selector, sir. Maximum avoid to use the tag selectors. Reason same tag number of times it will comes. If you want to use the tag selector, sir, you should go for like this parent child specification. Suppose I want to apply the iframe only, sir. Where you use the tag selector? The tag selector where should be present, sir? Inside the section. Because iframe you have so many iframes in the whole project, whole page. When you write only iframes, sir, all iframes are impacted. But we want to apply only for section inside iframe. We want to apply only for section inside iframe only. So what is the width of iframe, sir? 100%. The section how much available, iframe also comes the same content. Otherwise, we can reduce some 90%. Left side or right side, small gap is forming. Left and right side, small gap forming, sir. 80% width. And what is the height, sir? Height, I'm saying the auto. Actually, height auto means what, sir? How much content available, that much actually. A default option. Autos also always default. And most of the CSS settings default auto available, sir. With the auto and height also. Based on their original measurements, they take that one. Instead of this, better write here 100%. We can try auto also, no problem. The iframe. Mapping not necessary because tag selected directly. Refresh it. Box expanded, updated. Any changes in the height, sir? No, sir. That is the default size. But it's not useful for us. Width increased 80%, but height not increased. So no use for us. So we need 100% height. We need 100% height. Big size boxes comes like this. Line remove it, sir, first of all. Remove that line. For that we have the border colon. I don't need any border for the iframe. I don't need any border from iframe. Border colon. Iframe where it is available, sir? Left side or right side or center available? Left side available. So right on here. Text align. Iframe comes to center of your section tag. Iframe comes to center of your section tag. Iframe section ready, sir. A dark box your iframe as well as the section. What we have to do, sir? In these 5 hyperlinks, if I click any of the hyperlink, the page must be open inside this iframe. Page must be open inside this iframe. So for that, first set the name for your frame, sir. MF. Name for your frame is MF. My frame is shortcut. Now go to the target of every anchor tag equals to MF. Equals to MF. And we know already target equals to underscore self-avail. Where it is opens with home.html, sir, within the same tab. But previous page is overlapping. Opens in the same tab, but previous page is overlapping. And this one is this blank. Target equals to underscore blank. The new tab. Like the target equals to MF. Go check it now. Click on the home link. So your tag is opens here. Our course not opens because that program not completed. Only home is completed. You just completed only home. Now write the same option for all the anchor tags. Target equals to MF, target equals to MF, target equals to MF. If I click any of these anchor tags, that all anchor tags should be opens in the MF. Where is MF, sir? So this is MF. Every tag is going to open inside this MF. Now go and check it. Designing done. Just for your idea purpose, I'm drawing the box here. See that? Where iframe is available, area I'm going to draw. This is your iframe. A red color box is your iframe, sir. Right? Now click it. Courses, about, batches, enrollment. Done. Home, courses, new batches, enrollment. Every file links is going to open inside that. I've individually developed a program, sir. So the color combinations problem is that we not exist those all the color combinations. Individual programs I just joined.
ఆల్రెడీ ఐడియా ఉంది కాబట్టి దాంట్లో ఇందులో టార్గెట్ పెడుతున్నాడు అది పెడతాం వల్ల ఇక్కడ పట్టి
MF means, sir. There is no meaning of MF, sir. Just MF.
ఇది చెప్పడం ఏనాడు 40
It's
పేజీలు
just I wrote it that one. This one meaning abbreviation is not available anywhere. You can use X. Huh? The name attribute you don't know, sir. How many examples are used in name attribute? Huh?
సెలక్షన్ ఐడి అంటే
How many examples are used in name attribute?
ఆడవాడు సింగన్న గుడికి ఎంఎఫ్ఐ పెట్టాలని
Name inside what we are typing, no idea, na?
ఏదైనా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు అంటున్నాడు.
Think it, sir. Use the brain.
ఎంఎఫ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఐ ఫ్రేమ్లో నేమ్ ఇచ్చిన దానికి ఇది పెట్టుకోవాలి కదా అండర్ కోర్స్ ఎలా పెట్టుకుంటే అదే పెట్టి
So one small change is required in the program, sir. Links all are opening perfectly. There is no problem. But when you open the web page initially, blank screen is visible. Observe
అదే
together.
పెట్టాలి మరి
Empty screen.
ఇది ఇంకా
After
పెట్టకూడదు ఇంకా
clicking,
ఐబ్లాక్
something is going to display. Empty screen displaying is not correct, sir. The user getting some problems also. So don't display the empty screen. Then what to do, sir? While opening of this program, display something. Iframe inside SRC available. So try to display one image here. Try to display one image here. A gap filling with one image. The gap is going to filling with some image. Image, sir. Something image.
బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఇమేజ్
You can download this image and display it. Nothing wrong. Otherwise,
సర్చ్ బార్ పెట్టలేదు అక్కడ పైన చదువుతాడు మర్చిపోతాడు వీడు.
you can download this picture and display that one. Download this image and display that image in that one. After clicking, then the content is going to display. After clicking, content is going to display. But these all are images, sir. I want to create like this, and please don't ask. These are the ready-made images that just display. Some students, somebody asking questions, sir, how this curve is coming? Before that day, my safety precautions, all these are the images displaying in the side by side. That's all. You can just go to download this image, save image into my project folder. On the desktop, it is available. NIT app. That's something I'm going to writing. Home.jpg. Image name is home.jpg. I apply that one here. SRC equals to home.jpg. Instead of a blank screen, we'll get some picture. We'll get some picture like this. Now when you click on that one, picture replaces. Again, refresh it, picture is going to display. Next one, photo section, sir. Last option. The pages you have to design yourself, sir. I already designed some dummy programs. See this one. I'll open it also. File menu, open. The home.html program is there. Open this, sir. So some data is there, but markup is missing. Data is there. This is the home.html file. When you click on the first hyperlink, this program is going to open inside the iframe. Content is ready. Content I prepared, sir. That one markup you have to update. Courses.html is also there. Design these all the courses like as a grid format neatly. About that one. Design with some little bit better paragraphs. New batches. Display with the tables concept. Enrollment. So login screen. One level of code I developed that one and take that code into more effectively attractive format based on your requirements. So in 5 links, 5 programs we already developed. Next I'm focusing on the photo section, sir. Last option in this one.
అదే కదా మరి.
Photo section.
ఫుడ్ ఫోటో అంటే
ఇది కాంట్రాక్ట్స్ అవి హెడర్ అంటే
అది
పైన
మెయిన్ అన్నీ
హెడర్
ఏంటి
నావిగేషన్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటి
సెక్షన్
ఫోటో
ఫోటో
జస్ట్ మనకి చెప్పాడు అంతలాగా వీటికి వాడాలని.
So this is photo section starts.
additional details begin.
So our videos links you can contact your admin only, sir. So notes I will place it. Videos you have to contact your admin.
లింక్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తాడు.
వీడియోలు అక్కడ అడగమంటున్నాడు వీడియోలు.
So footer inside what we have to write, sir. Know very well footer inside we have to write contact details or something. For that I am doing a small thing. Division tag. Division tag I am going to take it and I am going to applying the flex also. Flex. First footer tag settings, sir. Hash footer. Footer. Width 100%. Take it always maximum 100%, sir. Full screen is comes and based on the device adjusting also. Height I'm going to placing auto, sir. Because I don't need any particular height to content how much available that height I need to require. Actually don't need to write this one by default auto available. You have by default auto only. I know that one, sir. Notes updation. Oh, you are not found any notes in the Google Classroom link. Anything is missing in Google Classroom link. Over there. Then why you are making suggestions to me? So width is 100% and height is auto. Footer background color I'm taking the dark, like as our Naresh IT website. Dark blue. Blue shade. This is blue shade. Content color, sir. Content color I'm taking white color. Content is white color. Photo section. Just map the photo section. ID equals to footer. ID equals to footer. And this is comes down. Testing operation, high message. We paste here. Bottom we have the blue box with the high message. We have the blue message with high message.
పైన అది వచ్చిందా?
Next, design the content set. Copy the details from original Naresh IT website. These are the details. So the first division tag. Apply here. First division tag is over. Second division tag. 3-4 division tags, then apply the flex. 3-4 division tags, then apply the flex. Also find like this. Is the third division tag. This one is contact details I'm taking. So total 3 division tags. Not applied any settings, sir. You can just go and check it. Then it's displaying the bottom display. We have to apply the little bit, sir.
అప్పుడు తయారు చేసాం కదా ఫ్లక్స్
What is the first concept we have to apply, sir? Flex.
ఇట్లా డిస్ప్లే చేసి స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వాలి
We have to apply the flex.
ప్లేసెస్లో వెళ్ళి డిస్ప్లే
Before applying the flex, make a small thing, sir. Total we have 3 division tags here. 3 division tags available, subdivision tags, right? And place all the subdivision tags inside one main division tag, then apply the flex.
మెయిన్ డివిజన్ ట్యాగ్
This is the main division tag, sir. Main container. The content.
కంటెంట్.
This is content. The container. For this main division tag, we need a small setting here. Let's see flex applying that required together. Division tag, right? Can I write the division tag directly, sir? Not write together. Because I have a lot of division tags covered, so compulsory you should go for the ID selected.
ఫూటర్.
Hash footer division. Hash footer division. Name clearly I'm providing, sir. Footer section division tag, this one. What is the property, sir? Display equals to flex. Display equals to flex. Width equals to some 80% once again. The footer 100% available together. This one comes to 80% down. This one comes to 80%. 80% center we have to get it, sir. So you can write some justify content.
జస్టిఫై కంటెంట్.
Justify content equals to center you can write. Otherwise, here you can write the margin auto. Anywhere is there. Right? Margin auto. Main division tag comes to center. The main division tag that we are going to mapping here. That I am going to mapping here, sir. Main division tag. Main division tag inside 3 subdivision tags available. So this should be closed just before the photo section. Container ends here. Container ends. And here content ends. Content ends. Boxes applying, sir. Yes, sir, applying. You can go and check it. First division box. This is first division box. And this is second division box. And this is third division box. And the data side by side available that we have to apply some line break operations, sir, etc. Because without any line breaks, I directly design the data. So apply something here. Take some H3 tag, reaches, and these are the data here. What about this data, sir? You can go for one option, division tag again, and use the line breaks. Otherwise, go to the paragraph tag and use the line. Line break not using line by line, it doesn't comes. First but so this is line break. Very hot use the line break, at decide your cell phone. There is no objections. Phone number, line break, mail ID, line break, hours working, line break. Now go and test it once. This is, you get like this. The first division tag after applying the line break. The second one also, if you apply the line break, same vertical pattern it will comes down. So take this as the H3 tag. H3 close.
Recording in progress.
Spacing important, sir. Otherwise, when you are seeing the future, the code understanding not possible. 5 to 10 minutes, sir. Program completing a task is also completed.
కామెంట్స్ అంటే మాకు కూడా అయిపోతుంది కదా.
Actually, these are the anchor tags actually. The anchor tags and the time taken process and then just I'm displaying the names. Take this as a H4 tag. Because the main headings are because of heading. Second link is also ready. See this one. You get the second link also ready like this. These are the anchor tags, sir. All those are the anchor tags. Link copying my address and the video together with the time taken process, and I'm just writing as a normal data. Next, last dues and tag. Once again, H3. So WhatsApp number. So the third column is also ready. See that one. Third column also ready. So this is our original look, sir. Page. Lastly, one small setting here. Very last one small setting. Main division tag. A photo section available. For photo section, I'm opening some adding. Around the corner, I need some small gap. Almost the lines touching are here. I need a small gap around the four corners. 30 pixels, I'm applying the gap. Small gap is forming. Yes. The gap available, you can observe also that one. So your own website ready, sir. It's not finishing, sir. Some source basic I provided. This one links main pending. 5 pages available there. Now how many pages my website? 6 pages. One home page. Second one home.html. Sorry. One is the index.html. One page. Index.html one page. Second one, this is home.html. Second one, this link home.html, courses.html, about.html, new batches.html, enrollment student.html, and index.html. Right now you are working on index.html. In that if you click any of the links, the corresponding programs. 5 programs pending. Content ready, some alignments not updated. That you can do yourself, so your own website ready. This is your project, sir. What are the things we learn? HTML and CSS. With that knowledge, we implemented all these things. Initial opening is like this. So that's all about the today's session and your project also. We continue on tomorrow as usual our regular timings, regular topics. Thank you all. Bye. Videos I said you should ask your admins and again why you are asking video name. Videos you can request your admins. Notes I'll post it. How many times I have to say, sir? Huh? Today only at least the sixth time or seventh time I'm saying the same sentence today only. Videos, please ask your admins. Notes, programs, I'll post it out Google Classroom. Bye bye.